Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Maugansville, long-distance movers near me. Maugansville residents looking for reliable long-distance moving solutions will find our services ideal. We specialize in a range of packing services, from providing materials for self-packing to complete, full-service packing. Our team treats each item with utmost care, ensuring a safe and smooth transition to your new location. Maugansville's community-oriented nature calls for a moving service that's equally community-focused and efficient. Our services in Maugansville include expert packing and unpacking, secure transportation of household goods, efficient residential moves, office relocation services, and customized moving plans for various needs. Trust us to make your move in Maugansville as welcoming and smooth as the community. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Maugansville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form